The innovation continues in the AI space. In this video, I will show you the most helpful ChatGPT 4 plugins that you need to know and start using them. OpenAI has the plugin store, which supercharges your ability to use ChatGPT. Plugins are only available for ChatGPT Plus users, and yes, ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month. And because it unlocks ChatGPT 4, which outperforms ChatGPT 3 in some significant ways. So once you are a ChatGPT Plus user, click the three dots next to your email, and you'll go to Settings. You need to go to Beta Features and enable the Plugins feature. I'm sure at some point these will no longer live in a Beta Features menu, but for now this is where they live. Now you go click at the top over ChatGPT 4 to go down to Plugins, and here, if you don't have any plugins enabled, you will see this option to go to a plugin store. Well, let's go ahead and go to the plugin store. Here we have the OpenAI App Store. This is where you can download plugins like you would download apps for your smartphone. We have the Popular tab, which shows you all of the most popular plugins you can click through. Here we have the New tab, which shows the newest plugins on the market. We have the All tab, which allows you to click through the 70+ pages of plugins available. I really think that the plugin store in OpenAI is going to be the next big thing. Number 1. There's an AI for that. There are so many AI tools out there, but it can be kind of overwhelming to know where to start looking or which one to use. But don't worry, there's an AI for that. There is an AI for that has this icon here, and once it's enabled, you can go ahead and ask any question. For example, what is the best AI tool for text-to-speech? Go ahead and hit Enter, and you can see enabled plugins. It has the icon right there, which means that the plugin is working in the background. So when ChatGPT is using the plugin, you will see this here. And that's an indication that instead of answering natively like ChatGPT does, it's using the plugin to give you the answer. So depending on what you ask and what you have enabled, if that combination correlates, then you will be correctly using the plugin to answer your question. So as you can see here, we asked what's the best AI tool for text-to-speech. And here we have a list of 8 potential AI tools. It has a link that you can go further to investigate and a little descriptor about what the tool does. Let's say you were curious about the first option. You could go ahead and click, which will take you to the website. There's an AI for that. Here is a more in-depth explanation about the tool and a link to the website so you can go check out the tool's website itself. You can also click this drop-down and you'll see here's the name of the first tool we clicked on. Okay, here's the name of another tool. Here's another one and another one. And you'll notice that this is actually a much longer list of potential text-to-speech AI tools. So if you were not happy with the 8 tools it picked for you, you could click this drop-down and further investigate some of the options that it didn't present. Now let's ask, what are the best free AI tools for generative image creation? And we have a list of 9 contenders here. I also asked what are the best AI tools for making music. And here we have 10 AI tools that it recommends us. Lastly, I used my favorite prompt I've been using for all of ChatGPT plugins, and that is, please bullet point out all of the uses and functionality of the plugin. Then insert the name of the plugin, and I wrote, give me a little explanation on how to best use and get the most use out of that plugin. So here we go. It says, yes, this plugin is used for discovering new AI tools and gives us comprehensive information and a variety of use cases. Because this plugin is very simple to use, but can save you so much time in doing research, so I highly recommend it. 2. Prompt Perfect. The results you get from ChatGPT are only as good as the prompt that you put in, and sometimes it's difficult to know what is the perfect prompt for your situation. Luckily, there is a plugin that can help you. Let's go here to Plugins, and we're going to use Prompt Perfect. So here we have the Prompt Perfect plugin enabled, and I asked, use the Perfect Prompt plugin to rephrase the following prompt, act as Warren Buffett and give me investing advice and a dialogue where you respond to my questions as Warren Buffett would. And here it goes. That's really interesting, because this is more robust than my initial prompt. So Prompt Perfect is really going in and helping reshape my question and rephrase it in a way that's more digestible for ChatGPT. 3. Show Me Diagrams. If you're a visual learner, you're going to love this plugin. This is the Show Me plugin, so I will go ahead and enable this. This plugin allows you to see things in graph or diagram form. So I said, show me how a car engine works. And this is a simplified diagram, but here you go. And here is a little explanation of how it works. We can also view this same diagram in a different tab. And if you're unhappy with this diagram, you can click here to edit. So if for some reason you wanted to change the words, you would just replace the word here, and you can see it replaces the word there. You can get a little deeper into the code and observe some different kinds of diagram shapes that are possible. So this tool is fantastic. If you are someone who needs to see information presented visually, I use my favorite prompt here to see what are all the different functionalities and capabilities of this plugin, and it shows here everything we've talked through. But what's interesting is, it says you can explore diagrams. So what that does is, if you want to explore diagrams, it will show you the different kinds of graphs and diagrams available, so you can go ahead and click on these. If you want to save this for later, or if you would rather download this graph, you can go into Actions and download the image, or you can copy the link here. So as I said, this is perfect for visual learners and making graphs quickly on the fly. 4. edX. ChatGPT has always been amazing for learning and research, but this new plugin has supercharged ChatGPT ability to teach you. This plugin is called edX plugin. So what this plugin allows you to do is search for top courses from top universities in the edX catalog, which is so exciting. So you can say, find me a top physics course from a top university. And here it shows you a breakdown of potential courses on physics. So let's say you were interested in this introduction to astrophysics. You would go ahead and click, which brings you to the website. You can see when you can enroll and all the relevant information. So this plugin specifically is more of a way to search through edX's website natively in ChatGPT. But it's exciting that so much learning is just at your fingertips. 5. Coopert. Now the benefit of this plugin is that it can be used to find the best deals across stores on the internet for any specific product. It can help you find products similar to the product that you're already looking for. And of course, what we're wanting the most out of this is it'll give us coupons for what we're looking for. I'm going to show you how it works. The first prompt that I've given to ChatGPT 4 is how ChatGPT 4 and Coopert can be used to maximize its capability and benefit me the most. Now it's given this awesome layout with 6 simple steps such as product research, price comparison, coupon discovery, cashback information, shopping advice, and personalized recommendations. This is a slightly cumbersome list. However, it gives you everything you need to proceed and use these tools effectively. Now the first thing I've asked is, do you know what a MacBook Pro is? And ChatGPT 4 starts off by telling me about the MacBook Pro. Perfect. I understand that it knows what it is now. I've asked it to use Coopert plugin to find the best price and place to find a MacBook Pro with a 1 TB SSD if possible. And here's what it comes up with. It tells me about the Apple Store and says, unfortunately, there's no coupons available for Apple at the moment. So at the end of this, it's also asked me would I like to check prices at other stores as well. Now with simply responding with yes, it started to pull out some data from the Best Buy store along with some discount coupons. If you keep asking yes at the end of each data, it will search through a different store each time. But you can also specify a certain store. Now instead of just simply responding with yes, I responded with a website called Back Market. I know that Back Market is used to find refurbished products, so I asked for a coupon for this website. And here's what it jumps with. It gives me the website, and it gives me 5 different coupon codes that I could use for this website. It gave me 10 different coupon codes for this website, along with the success rate percentage. It varies between $10 off and free shipping on various conditions to be able to use these coupons. So these are the best 5 ChatGPT plugins which you can use in your everyday routine and save a lot of your time when doing research. If you want to train your own GPT-4 chatbot and use it on your website or app, then check out this video right here.